Hi everyone, today I'm going to show how to make a Cricut cards using the insert cards from the Cricut brand. And for that we need insert cards and the Cricut mat. So these are the required materials. Let me choose the design first. For that we have to open the Cricut design space, and here it is the home page. In the search bar, search for Happy New Year card. So it will list down all the projects available. From this we can choose the any cards which you wish to cut. I am going to choose this one, near. And for this one the finished sizes, it's showing the different sizes. The insert card which we are going to use is the card size is 3.5 into 4.9 inches, so which is this one. I am selecting the size. For that we need a Cricut card mat and opaque gel pens, white. Since we are going to use the light colors, I will choose some other gel pens. And insert cards is already there in this pack, so directly I am going to make it, because I don't want to make any customization on this one. Okay, it's going to without mat. Better go to the customize, place, make it, don't save. On the card mat, give this option, confirm. So you can see the preview of the card. So I am going to keep the card in this way. Before that one, let me pick the pens. I am going to use this glitter gel pens. Color will be chosen later. First let me pick the card. So these are the cards and this is the insert. I'm going to pick this peach color and this card. For this I guess the color black or silver will be good. So let's pull out the pens also. This pen will show how to insert the card. So this is the card mat. You can see the transparent sheet on top of the card mat. Always remove that one. And open the card like this. And firmly lift this sheet. Mostly it will be on white or yellow color. And insert the card in like this. It will fit in. So use the brayer tool to press this. So now the card mat is ready. Now give next. So first time I'm connecting this machine, so it's asking to connect the machine. It's Jai. It's loading. Let me reconnect again. Okay, it got connected. The machine got successfully connected. So now we need to set the material. There are list of material I bookmarked. For this insert cards, if you go in the under the card stock, there will be the insert card stock. That one you have to choose. After that, it will prompt to first insert the pen. I didn't change the pen color, but still I can insert the black color pen in this. Let me load the pen. So for that, You have to first remove the blade from here. Remove the blade and insert the pen like this and close it. After connecting the pen, it's prompting for the pen and mat. So insert the mat. Now it's measuring the size of the mat. So everything is fine, set. Tools and materials are loaded. After that we have to give go. So it's preparing now. First it will draw, then it will prompt for the blade to be inserted. I will show on that point. It's drawing. For now I will pause the video. So the drawing is almost done. After the drawing is done, it will ask to install the fine point blade. Now we have to switch to blade. Remove the pen. Don't remove the mat, just remove the pen and again insert the blade. Close this like, and again you have to give go. It will start preparing and cut the design. The cut is in progress, so you can see how much time is spending in the screen. I will pause the video here. Once the cut has been done, I will restart the video. Now the cut has been completed. We should not pull the mat, but we have to give unload material. Okay, then it will push the mat out from the machine. After that you can take the mat out. The cut is very clean. Just you have to lift this from here. It's clean. The small pieces sticking to that one, you can remove that. Just pull out like this. So it's clear now. Let's keep this insert card. So for that you have to just insert in 4 corners of the card like this. That's it. The card is ready. This is the quickest way to make any super nice cards. So I'm going to give this New Year card to my friend. Thank you for watching the video.